If you've ever opened a Premiere Pro project and seen red clips on your timeline, this means your media is offline. This usually happens when an SD card gets unplugged, files are moved, or a drive isn't connected. Relinking one clip at a time works, but on big projects, it wastes a lot of time. Here's the fastest way to relink all your media at once in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, make sure all the missing clips for your project are stored inside the same folder on your computer or drive. This is important for the method to work properly. Now, go to the top of Premiere Pro and switch to the Assembly workspace. In the Assembly panel, scroll down and you'll see all your clips, images, and audio files. Select everything inside the Assembly panel. You can click one item, then press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to select all files. Once everything is selected, right-click if you're on Windows or double-click if you're on Mac and choose Link Media. Premiere Pro will ask you to locate one missing clip. Click Locate, then navigate to the folder where your project media is stored. Select the clip with the matching name and click OK. Premiere Pro will automatically relink every missing file in your project at once, even if there are different clips, as long as they're all in the same folder. That's it. Your timeline should now be fully restored without relinking clips one by one. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.